Very good morning, student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a mathematics teacher representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajada. Student, in the previous video, we seen question number 1 to question number 9. Now we taking the question number 10. What is the demand of question? Explain how. How मतलब कैसे. This figure is trapezium. मतलब इस फिगर को हम ट्रेपोजियम क्यों बोलेंगे? Which of its two sides are parallel? So I introduce what is the basic difference between the rectangle, parallelogram. मैं सभी आपको शेप्स बता देता हूँ. फर्स्ट वन, this is a square. What is the mean of square? All sides are equal. First one, student, in the case of the square, all sides are square and diagonals are square. First point, all sides are equal. Second point, all diagonals, that means both diagonals are equal. Third point, all vertices consist 90 degree. These shape are known as square. Second student, देखिए इसी शेप को थोड़ा सा हम एक तरफ से बड़ा कर लेते हैं. ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. सेकेंड, डायगोनल्स आर इक्वल. थर्ड, vertices consist 90 degree. The shape are known as rectangle. ठीक है, अब ध्यान से देखेंगे स्टूडेंट, ये जो शेप है इस शेप को हमने थोड़ा सा बेंड कर लिया. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल but diagonals are not equal. In the case of rectangle, I told diagonals are equal. In the case of parallelogram, I told diagonals are not equal. These figures are known as parallelogram. First one is the square. All sides are equal. Both diagonals are equal. All vertices consist 90 degree. The shape are known as square. Second, rectangle, that means the opposite sides are equal. This will be equal of this and this will be equal of this. And diagonals are also equal. But angles will be equal of 90 degree are known as rectangle, just like a बोर्ड. ये जो आपके सामने बोर्ड दिख रहा है, दैट इज द करेक्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. नाउ थर्ड वन इज द पैरेललोग्राम. रेक्टेंगल को थोड़ा सा बेंड कर दिया. ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल बट डायगोनल्स आर नॉट इक्वल. दिस फिनोमिना आर नोन एज पैरेललोग्राम. फोर्थ वन स्टूडेंट, फोर्थ वन, अब इसको हमने फर्स्ट वाले शेप को ध्यान से देखिए. फर्स्ट वाला, ठीक है, उसको बेंड करा. दैट मीन्स बोथ sides are equal. Both sides are equal but diagonals are not equal. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं ये सिमिलर है और ये आपस में सिमिलर है. These phenomena are known as rhombus. What is the meaning of the rhombus, student? When both sides are equal but diagonals are not equal, these phenomena are known as rhombus. And next one, today's topic related to trapezium. Trapezium, that means one more time, trapezium, that means simple. देखिए ये पर्टिकुलर जो चारों डायग्राम दिख रहे हैं इनका एक शेप है, बट इन द केस ऑफ द ट्रेपेजियम टू साइड्स आर पैरेलल. फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड, टू साइड्स आर पैरेलल एंड अनदर साइड्स आर not parallel to each other, not equal to each other. First property, two sides are parallel to each other. This side, सर ये जो सिंबल है ये इक्वल का सिंबल है, और जब हम दो एरो रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, दिस सिंबल इज रिप्रेजेंट टू पैरेलल. टू साइड्स आर पैरेलल एंड sum of adjacent angle will be equal of 180 degree. This property are known as trapezium. Student, what is the demand of question? We have to prove, we have to solve. This figure is an example of trapezium. Explain how this figure is trapezium. Which of its sides are parallel? मतलब कौन सी दो साइड पैरेलल है? In quadrilateral quadrilateral KLMN angle M will be equal of 100 degree and angle L will be equal of 80 degree. The sum of angles will be equal of 100 plus 80 will be equal of 180. The angles will be equal of 180 such that we can say this line will be parallel to this line M and parallel to KL by the phenomena of 1 and 2 by equation first and 2. The sum of adjacent angle will be equal of 180 and both lines are parallel to each other. These phenomena are known as trapezium such that quadrilateral KLMN is a trapezium. I hope you getting the proper solution. One more time, मुझे ये बताना है कि ये जो फिगर है ये ट्रेपेजियम के स्टूडेंट. नाउ वी टेकिंग द अनदर क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. फाइंड, देखिए, मार्क ऑफ द एंगल सी इन फिगर इफ ए बी साइड ऑफ ए बी, दिस इज अ साइड दैट मीन्स अ लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी इज पैरेलल टू डी सी. मैं इसको बोल सकता हूँ आर्क दैट मीन्स अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइन ए बी will be parallel to DC. What is the meaning of this sentence, student? We have to find angle C, that means angle C equal to question mark, and AB parallel to DC. Student, what is the property of trapezium? In the trapezium, opposite sides are equal and the sum of adjacent angle will be equal of 180 degree. Student, in quadrilateral ABCD, AB parallel to CD such that ABCD is a trapezium, such that अगर जो ये फिगर एक ट्रेपेजियम है तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ द सम ऑफ एंगल बी प्लस सम ऑफ एंगल सी इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. बट एंगल बी विल बी इक्वल गिवन दैट, क्या दिया हुआ स्टूडेंट? एंगल बी विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 120 डिग्री. 120 plus angle C equal to 180 such that 180 minus 120 will be equal of 60 degree. I repeat, student, here according to the figure, AB, side AB parallel to side DC, that means this will be parallel to this. We have to find the value of C when value of B will be equal of 180 degree. Angle C equal to question mark. Student, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB parallel to CD. That means this figure is an example of trapezium. What is the property of trapezium? The sum of adjacent angle will be equal of 180 degree such that B plus C equal to 180 degree. But the value of V will be equal of 120 degree such that positive convert into the form of negative, plus minus minus, then 180 minus 120 will be equal of 60 degree. Student, now we are taking the another question, question number 12. Find the measure of the angle P and angle S. Student, धीरे धीरे करेंगे. Given that in quadrilateral, what is the meaning of the quadrilateral? A shape which consists of four sides are known as the quadrilateral. In quadrilateral PQRS, the side SP is parallel to side PQ, and we have to find the value of angle P and angle S such that angle P and angle S will be equal of question mark. Again I repeat, in the quadrilateral PQRS, SP, where is the SP? SP, that means this side is parallel to RQ, that means this side. Student, the in any shape which consists of two parallel sides, only two parallel sides. In the case of the parallelogram, देखिए जितने भी शेप दिख रहे होंगे, इस सभी शेप में ये भी पैरेलल है, ये भी पैरेलल है, ये भी पैरेलल एंड बोथ. ठीक है, मतलब यहाँ पर दो पेयर बन रहे हैं, बट सिर्फ और सिर्फ ट्रेपेजियम में एक पेयर पैरेलल है. दैट मीन्स टू साइड्स आर पैरेलल. दैट मीन्स कहीं ना कहीं मैं बोल सकता हूँ सच दैट quadrilateral PQRS is a example of trapezium. What is the property of trapezium? The sum of adjacent angle will be equal of 180 degree. Student, we have to find the value of P and S. That means we have to find the value of angle P and angle S, where angle Q will be equal of 130 degree, and this is a shape of square. What is the mean of this shape? That means angle R will be equal of 90 degree. Angle R will be equal of 90 degree. Student, we have to find angle P, angle S. Now student, from this line, both lines are parallel to each other such that the sum of this angle and this angle, the sum of this and this, the sum of adjacent angle will be equal of 180 degree. These property are known as by property of adjacent angle. Angle P plus Q will be equal of 180 degree, but angle Q will be equal of 130 degree such that angle P equal to positive convert into the form of negative such that angle P will be equal of 50 degree. Student, I getting angle V will be equal of 50 degree. But we know that about the property of any quadrilateral. What is the main property of quadrilateral, student? In the case of triangle, the sum of all angle will be equal of 180 degree. But in any quadrilateral, the sum of all angle will be equal of 360 degree. Student, we know that about P will be equal 50, angle Q will be equal 130, angle R will be equal 90. We have to find angle S. Student, 30 plus 50 equal to 180. 180 plus 90, that means 270 degree, plus angle S equal to 360 such that angle S equal to 360 minus 270 plus minus 360 minus 270 carry 16. ठीक है, will be equal of 8. Will be equal of student the sum will be equal of 90 degree such that S will be equal of 90 degree. I repeat, 0 minus 0 will be equal of 0. Here carry 1, then we getting the 16 will be equal of 9. 3 convert into the form of 2. 2 minus 2 will be equal of 0. So angle S will be equal of 90 degree. Final answer angle P will be equal of 50 degree and angle S will be equal of 90 degree. I repeat one more time. In the question number 12, we have to find the value of angle P and angle S where SP will be parallel to RQ. What is the meaning of the parallel lines? When two lines are parallel, in the case of the quadrilateral, when two lines are parallel, the quadrilateral are known as the trapezium, such that we can say quadrilateral PQRS is an example of trapezium. Now, in the case of the PQRS, we have SP directly parallel to PQ and angle Q. Angle Q will be equal of 130 degree according to the figure and angle R will be equal of 90 degree according to the figure. We have to find the value of P and S by the property of adjacent angle. जो भी पैरेलल लाइन रहती है उन दोनों के बीच बनने वाला एंगल मतलब धीस एंड धीस, ठीक है, या तो इन दोनों का सम 180 होगा या तो इन दोनों का सम 180 होगा. सो बाय द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम धीस एंड धीस द सम ऑफ P and Q will be equal of 180 degree. We have the value of Q will be equal of 130, positive convert into the form of negative, then we getting P equal to 50. Student, we getting here P will be equal of 50. अब ये हमारी चॉइस है स्टूडेंट, हम कैसे क्वेश्चन को करें. मैंने बोल दिया है बाय यूज ऑफ द क्वाड्रिलेटर, बाय यूज ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटर द सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 360. We put the value of P, Q, R, then we getting the value of S. Otherwise, you can also study about this. आप ये भी बोल सकते हो by the property of adjacent angle, angle R plus angle S will be equal of 180 degree, but angle R will be equal of 90 such that angle S will be equal of 180 minus 90, angle S equal to 90 degree. स्टूडेंट, या तो आप इस मेथड का यूज करेंगे या तो आप इस मेथड का, ठीक है. आई होप यू गेटिंग द प्रॉपर सॉल्यूशन रिलेटेड टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, 11, 12 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3.3 ऑफ द चैप्टर नंबर 3. Introduction about the quadrilateral. Thank you so much to watching this YouTube channel of Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajada. Student, please like and subscribe and also study mathematics.